Alright, here we are, Bullfrog Machine and Tool. When I bought this lathe, it had a 3-jaw chuck on it, and it's been on there for one job. I'll never use it again. It's got a 4-jaw chuck on it. 4-jaw is the only way to go if you want to machine something accurately. So I have this 3-jaw chuck right here. It's 18 inches in overall diameter from out to out, with a 4.5-inch hole in the bottom, so I can shove whatever I want into her. If it doesn't fit, I'll have to spit on it. Something like so is going to get mounted onto the chuck, and it will rotate. It'll have another chain belt pulley, I don't know yet, spinning around on that, and it'll rotate on top of something. Obviously not this, that's way too loose. But anyway, it's going to sit in this position, or I'll be able to rotate it all the way up to a 90-degree position, and then I can do flat welds on it. Here's some more pieces of the puzzle. Whoop. There's a 40-to-1 gearbox here. Turn this 40 times. That turns once. So I'm going to stick on a 3-phase 1725 RPM motor onto here, and that's twizzle-dizzling. That should put out 43 RPM right there. Then the next plan. This is the coolest fucking gearbox I've ever seen in my life. Check this out. It's got a steel chain in it, and you see the ribs on that flat there. The outside of the chain dogs into these, and they get bigger or smaller, and rides up and down to speed shit up or slow it down. So you can see here, this is skinny. This guy here is fat right now. I know it's going the wrong way, but this is the easiest way to do it, and if you want to do it the other way, you can feel free to crank it yourself. So watch the pulleys. The fat pulley gets skinny, the skinny pulley gets fat, which in turn changes the RPM of the output shaft. That's as far as she goes the one way, so this spins one time. That'll spin 6 times. You can tell if you look at here and here as I'm twizzling. I'll turn it the other way, which is doing the exact same thing, only the opposite. You can see one slowing down and one speeding up. This is a gearbox made by Link Belt, variable speed gearbox. So I'll take that 43 RPM, stick it into here, and then I should be getting 7 RPM out of here, which in turn is going to go up to that chuck, do the twizzle-dizzle, and I think if I got it between 1 and 6 RPM, changing it with the variable speed, will be perfect for TIG welding and MIG welding. So this gearbox here was made in 1968 by Link Belt. It's a PIV gearbox. 1692 RPM in, 283 RPM out. So I should mathematically be running 43 RPM here, 7 RPM there. And then I'll do the other gear change, and it'll be all golden. So we'll see how this thing all pans out. It should work. I'll get back to you.